Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm in Lanzarote and just walking into the town and harbour. Again, I've got the FujiFilm x100vi with me, which is a great street photography camera. We're just going to see what sort of shots we can get today. Again, I'm on about f8 or just under, about 500th per second, again, or just under, and auto ISO. I've just got to get a shot across here just as I'm walking into the town. This just looks really lovely, and what a nice warm-up shot, just getting used to the light. Now I like this. I'm just going to see if I can get a biker, and there we go. I had to get down low for this. Yep, that looks okay to me. Now I'm just going to take one of these two people here, leave a lot to the imagination. I've just got their feet and the red way as a bit of a leading line. Oh, just look at this. This is really nice. Just got to get a shot across this way now. I'm going to put that one in black and white. I think that's going to look really nice. There's some nice reflections. This one, okay, I'll keep this in colour, I think, because I like the orange boat down here. There's a reflection. That's come out well. I like that. Ah, there's a sunken boat here. I'm just going to get this. I'll put this in black and white because I think that goes with the feeling of it and tells the story. Then just another one across the bay there with the boats and the mountains in the background. I really like that. Okay, I'm going to do a bit of framing here. Let's just frame with this top V shape. Yeah. I think that's okay. Let's just move back a bit and get a similar one, but we'll use the cross this time. I think that'd be okay there. Yeah, just something different. Bit of a look-up shot here. Just like the tree on the right, clouds.
I heard them squeaking before I saw it.
Now I like this again. I love all these boats in this little, I don't know what you call it, harbour I suppose. I've used the rock here as a bit of a foreground. Okay, I've got to get these people just leaning over. I think they're looking down at those fish there. When you see a puddle, you've got to get a shot. So I've just got to get low here. Can't quite get that reflection how I want it. Got the three birds together and a bit of reflection. We'll just get this cyclist holding this fishing rod. Nice bit of street photography. That'll look good in black and white. Then again, just get the feeling of the street up here. Nice little street this. Didn't really want that van. Let's just get this lady walking across here. Okay, happy with that. We've got the light and the shadows working quite well. We'll get this saxophone player. Let's just move to the other side of him and get one going back the other way. Yeah, that's a bit better. I like the shadows in that one. Oh, we'll get these on the bench on the left here. Again, lots of shadows. I'm going to try and get one here because this is like a nice leading line, the bridge leading your eyes through to the people in the background. I like the shape of this beach. We're just going to get one here, people on the beach, and that nice rounded sort of effect to lead your eyes round. And just get this person down on the rocks. That's it, just wanted him in the right hand third. Anyway, that was a short one. If you enjoyed that video, please give me the thumbs up. It does help the channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video.